they need in here because it is available. They can do it here. The bag and all the
I ask if it's possible to buy.
My name is Sandra. I live in Italy. I am 66 years old and I don't work anymore because I am old. But before I was an accountant at the University of Venezia in Italy. And why I am here? I am here first of all because I was curious about your culture. With my husband, we heard a lot of time of the problems that Kurdish people had in the past and now. And we want to know better your reality, your country, your culture. And so we are here for this reason. Second, we are here with our friend that has this project. He is a fashion designer and a filmmaker, and he, with us, travel around the world to look for traditional clothes and to find natural fabric to make some dresses inspired to the local traditional dresses. And before we leave from this country or the other country that we visited, we take a lot of information about the culture, the people, and the possibility to do these dresses that he designed with a local tailor and find the natural fabric necessary to make these dresses. Then we leave, we arrive in the country, and he, with the local tailor, make these dresses. And after, we take this dress in Italy, and we make some art exhibitions to let our nation, our people know the other culture, and all through the traditional dresses and the dresses that Roberto, our friends, realize in the countries that we visit. That's all.
My name is Joe. I am the creator of Mexmûrê. Mexmûrê is my project. I go around the world for make my design with the dress. I love dress. I'm fashion designer. And I try inspiration about the traditional dress from the country that I visit, and I mixing the traditional dress with my idea of dress, and I create this mix and design. And after I go in the country, I find the tailor. I make a research about the natural fabric that they use in their tradition. And so I start my project. Now I am here because I go around all the Kurdistan and I meet a lot of different situations, for example, Yazidi people, Assyrian people. And for me, it was a dream to come here. 2 years ago, I write with Sarah to come here, and now I am here. For me, it's a dream, and I found beautiful people. Here, I found a lot of hospitality, curiosity, and for me, the curiosity for the people is important because it's a system for to develop yourself, no? For to go oh, now it's difficult. For to try to meet the other people, the other culture, the other situation. No, so I come here with my dress, the dress that I made in Himalaya, and it's beautiful for me to have a kind of exchange of this culture with my dress. It's beautiful if one man or lady of your community decide to put yourself one of my dress, because it's like a exchange, you know. Here there are a lot of tailor-made men, there are a lot of craftsmen, and it's beautiful if they see also what kind of craft work there is in other country. Is like an experience for to meet the other culture and to stay all together in peace. Okay. So now we are here today, and all the people. Come si dice, Chiara, ci accolti? All the people are so kind with us. They give their food and show us what is your traditional food. They show me what is the traditional dress. They explain me because they can't use the natural fabric, and they speak me a lot about their culture, and for me that is very important, because for me is a system for exchange my mind, for grow up myself, you understand, and also my project, because I started in the Indian Ocean. We went to Amazonia with indigenous people. After we went in Himalaya with nomad of the wool. Now we are here with your community. Before we was with Yazidi, before with Assyrian. It's beautiful because you can understand also the other country, the other culture. You can come back in your country, and you can have thinking about what you meet during your travel. You can ask by yourself, how is the system for to be better in my country? Sorry for my English, because it's difficult for me, but I try to explain why I am here. I don't know if it's good for you, or if you have any question. I am here.
Thank you very much.
Sorry for the English.
جبومي كيف خاشي أجلس وطنا سردونا بجيب كوري ما حاسس كأننا كوري وادوس لكنهم بد لا أجيب كوري مودال جلوبات كوبا مجيب بد جبالي كم أقل شيء هو كتفوز كون شفتين هم شيء
ونجلون بدري ونجلون بكي برخون جبوكو أفشون دماء هاي مثلا تنانا.
But we care about our culture, our traditional culture. We have to.
If you want, I can